how to put on a crimson trace on a Glock 19. The only thing that you need is everything that's actually in this box. And then you just take that out. And they should come with your batteries, and you just take those out, pop them in on the side right here. And it should come with another baggie. And here you will use this tool to pop out this pin right here on the handle. After you take that out, one thing you do is you slide this on here, like so. And there it is. And it should come with another pin. Here it is. And you just line everything up, make sure it's straight, and you just